All right, we got these amazing photo booth props right here. Got a whole assortment of them right here. Let's go ahead. Obviously, these are two of them right here, but we got a whole slew of them. We got another one right here. Got tons right here. I'm just gonna go through a few, and then I'm gonna show you how to attach them, because as you can see, these have this nice little vibe at the bottom right here that I'm holding on to. You can put that on all these. But so we've got where's the wine? That's funny. Nice for your photo booth, or for a place that, I mean, you don't even really need a photo booth, but if you, great for a photo booth. If not, still great. Right here, all sorts of different vibes right here. Just different sayings for the birthday, for just like, let's see if there's any more masks. Got this one right here. I mean, as you can see, just a whole slew of photo booth props right here. So also got tons of these to attach. I'm going to show you one of them. So I'm just going to remove one. And then you've got these little vibes right here that help you stick these to the props. So I'm going to take one of these off right here. You're going to want to stick that onto the post, the little wood thing right here. Stick that on right there. It's stuck on. Now come in here, get a prop. As you can see with this prop, there's a vibe down here that needs to be removed. So you pull it out, pull out the vibe that needs to be removed. That's out. And now take this, stick it to the back here. It's stuck on. You got your prop right here. The photo booth is ready. The party's ready to get started. Let's go. Highly recommend.